Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Let us do some cleaning because this house is a mess. My sitting room and my kitchen are upside down. It's a Sunday and always my Sundays are just everything everywhere. So let's get started on the cleaning motivation. So guys, as you can see, my sitting room is really untidy. Sundays are just days where we bum and the nanny is usually not here. And as I always say, I'm always really grateful for my nanny because she just puts everything in order and the house is always neat. So on Sundays, I really have to try and keep up with her pace because Sundays are just the only day that I have to relax. So yeah, since the children have decided to put everything everywhere, it's Saturday evening and I'm just trying to tidy up the house before we get started on dinner and get ready for the week and start school and go back to work. So yeah, I just need to tidy this up. And as usual, if you're new here, karibu sana. My name is Shiro, and on this channel we do a lot of cleaning, cooking, and lifestyle, which involves motherhood. So if this is the kind of content that you like, please consider subscribing to the channel, and of course give the videos that you like thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section. And if you are a returning viewer, I really appreciate you guys. If you've already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much. We keep going up and down. So the number of my subscribers has just been up down, but I believe that we are going to keep growing as a family and keep motivating each other in this journey and just sharing lifestyle videos. So I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you to everyone who is always encouraging me to keep going and everybody who is always commenting and liking the videos that I post. I really appreciate you guys. So let's get cleaning. Enjoy the video. I'm not doing anything special. It's just a cleaning motivation video. Like myself, I just get motivated watching other people clean their spaces. So I hope that I can motivate somebody in return. Yeah. Well, it makes me so confused. I don't know what to do anymore. Can't you just make up your mind? My heart drops when you play around. How can you be up when I'm down? Don't want to think about it right now. Maybe you just want to be friends, but there is a fight when we are talking. Maybe you just want to pretend, but I can read between the lines. Even if I can't deny that all the things you said are hurting. I'm finally done with the sitting room, and this is such a transformation from how it was when I started. So now let's go and tackle the kitchen, which is another mess on its own. Like kids, we are 6 people. Are we 6? Okay, today, yes, we are 6 people in the house. And yeah, everything is just usually everywhere. And I honestly don't know how to deal with this. I just have to deal with it slowly by slowly. So yeah, let me just begin by putting away everything that just needs to be put away, like ingredients, kidney salt, sugar, stuff that I am not using, just keeping it away, throwing it, clear up the space, and then we can start up on the dishes. I enjoy cleaning, but I think half the time I just don't have the energy to because my weeks are usually sort of crazy. But when I have the energy, I really enjoy cleaning and organizing. So I'm hoping that soon I am going to have enough time to be doing these kind of videos and just keeping everything organized and just having things in order and just having some sort of routine and procedure in my house. So yeah, enjoy the video, and if this again is the sort of content that you like watching, please make a comment down in the comment section or share more of what you would like to see, especially if you're a mom or if you have a family and you would just like encouragement, because this raising children just needs a lot of encouragement and a lot of positivity. So yeah, you can just let me know what sort of content you would like to keep seeing or continue saying, and I will really appreciate that. So let's get this kitchen clean. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys a bit of the shopping that I've done for the week. I normally do a weekly restock sort of. So this week I've of course used Carrefour as my usual delivery people, so they've delivered some of my stuff, and I'm just going to show you that at the end of the video.
Everything feels so abstract, yeah, it's complicated. What you say, the way you act, well, it makes me so confused. I don't know what to do anymore. Can't you just make up your mind? My heart drops when you play around. How can you be up when I'm down? Don't wanna think about it right now. Maybe you just wanna be friends, but there is a fight when we are talking. Maybe you just wanna pretend, but I can read between the lines. Even if I can't deny that all the things you said are hurting, still wanna be with you. I think you want it too. 'Cause baby, I don't wanna be. Baby, I don't wanna be. No, baby, I don't wanna be. Baby, I don't wanna be. How it hurts to see you smile, like a dagger in me. She just seems so juvenile. I just want it to be me. I wanna set your world on fire. Oh, you're so sure I'll stick around. Oh, my heart drops when you play around. How can you be up when I'm down? Don't wanna think about it right now. Maybe you just wanna be friends, but there is a fight when we are talking. Maybe you just wanna pretend, but I can read between the lines. Even if I can't deny that all the things you said are hurting, still wanna be with you. I think you want it too. 'Cause baby, I don't wanna be. Baby, I don't wanna be. Oh, even if I can't deny that all the things you said are hurting, still wanna be with you. I think you want it too. 'Cause baby, I don't wanna be. No, baby, I don't wanna be. No, baby, I don't wanna be. Baby, I don't wanna be.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay 'cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us.
Alright guys, so we are done with the cleaning. This took me about an hour, yet the video has come out like 10 minutes short. But anyway, so this is some of the stuff that I got from Carrefour. This is just my weekly mini restock. So I really appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you so much. and I am hoping that you've gotten motivated. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next video, and I hope that you are going to join the family by subscribing to the channel for more of our content. Keep blessed and stay positive. Bye.